Okay, good morning, students. So, come to the question number 5. Okay. Exercise 1.5, question number 5. So, question number 5 is you have to rationalize the denominators of the following. So, first one is given 1 by root 7. Okay. So, that means in this fraction, the denominator is a irrational number. So, you have to do the rationalize. That means you have to convert the denominator into rational number. Okay. So, this one is the actually pattern of this 1 by root a. Okay. So, whenever you want to do the rationalization of this 1 by root a, then you have to multiply the denominator with the same number. Suppose you multiply root a into root a, and you have to multiply the numerator also root a. So root into root over a into root over a, that means root over a square, and numerator becomes root over a. And all of you know that if you take the square of square root, then it will that square root will omit. Okay, so that means it becomes a, and this one is root a. So automatically the denominator becomes a rational number. Okay. So in this case 1 by root 7, so multiply both denominator and numerator by root 7. So root 7 into root 7 becomes root 7 whole square, and it becomes root 7. So this will become root 7 by 7. Okay. So come to the next question, question number 2. 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Number 2, 1 by root 7 minus root 6. Okay, so this one is a form of actually 1 by root a minus root b. Okay, so whenever a question, when the denominator is root a minus root b form, then you have to multiply the denominator by conjugate. Okay, that means if there is a negative symbol, then you have to multiply the same thing with this opposite symbol, that means positive symbol. That is root a minus root b. The conjugate of root a minus root b is root a plus root b. Okay, again same thing, you have to multiply it with the numerator also. All of you know that a plus b into a minus b into a plus b is a formula. There's a big formula which is a square minus b square. Okay, so numerator becomes root a plus root b, and denominator becomes root a square minus root b square. So numerator remains same, root a root b, and this one is a minus b. So automatically the denominator becomes a rational number. Okay. So therefore, in this case, you have to multiply both the numerator and the denominator by root 7 plus 6, which is conjugate of root 7 minus root 6. Okay, root 7 minus root 6. Originally it was root 7 minus root 6. So you have to multiply by the conjugate, that means root 7 plus root 6. So as well as you have to multiply the numerator also. So this becomes a minus b into a plus b, that means a square minus b square, and it becomes this one. Okay, you can use bracket also. So a square minus b square, that means a minus b, and this one is root 7 plus root 6. So 7 minus 6, it becomes 1. So root 7 plus root 6 divided by 1. Okay.